Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. Today's crash course is a Minerva Premium Hotel. We're covering yet another boutique hotel in the historic area of Hanoi. As you can see, this hotel staff is very friendly here and very helpful. She gave us several things to check out in the local area. Nice little lobby area for you to relax if you need to wait to check in. Let's take a look at the room. You can see the rooms are small here, but they do pack in a lot of functionality, and this is definitely a nice comfortable bed in this room. A little tighter getting around the bed. You can see this. Have a little table and chair there on one side, and then they have the little desk area. Lots of stuff going on there, as you can see. Here's the tea and coffee setup. And underneath, we're going to see that they have the mini fridge. They do stock with some mini bar items for you here. Over in the closet area, you can see they have the slippers. You've got the laundry sheet if you want to send clothes out. Some nice hangers, and hey, +1 for the scale. I like when they leave a scale in the room. There you can see the safe. And over on the other side of the closet, you have the robes. Here's a look at the bathroom. Not a ton of space up by the sink, but they do have a hair dryer in here already pre-set up for you. See some extra towels underneath. And you have a little separate area for both the shower as well as a separate area for the toilet. Nice little closing doors there. Always like it when they have the separate area.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
Here you can see we have breakfast. Like all the boutique hotels, you'll see that they have a small buffet line, and then they also offer some a la carte options. Usually almost everybody offers some pho as well as made to order eggs. Some places have additional items, but usually you'll see those almost everywhere you go. There you go. Always gotta have some rice-based dishes there. Baked beans for our British friends. Look like some chicken nuggets there. You can see cereal, fruit, always multiple eggs. There you go. You can see different a la carte options right there for you to order. They do a good job with that. Here's a look from the rooftop bar, and this is actually another thing that's very much downtown Hanoi, or I should say historic Hanoi, is rooftop bars. You can see in the distance there's another hotel with a rooftop bar. But I can see why they're popular. It's a nice space up here. Relax and take in the evening when it's a little bit cooler. Let's take a walk around the area.
trước xem thế nào là đủ, thế nào là tới. Từ trước kia mình quay đéo được, xin lỗi bố đéo xin.
Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.